welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Halo Campaign Evolved game crashing or stuck on loading screen, crashing startup, black screen, lagging, freezing, not launching, not opening or other issues on Xbox. So the very first method is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click on it to begin the updating process. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next method is to check for Halo Campaign Evolved update. So apart from console, you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with all kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure to check for update option. Next method is to clear Xbox cache. Deleting the cache of your Xbox can help to tackle the issue as it can occur due to temporary glitches. Follow the steps, press Xbox symbol on a controller, now move down to profile and system. Here select settings, system, console info, then select reset console. After that select reset and keep my games and apps option and then check if the problem is fixed. Next is to check storage space. For that press Xbox button, go to profile and system, settings, system, storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that open settings, choose device and connections. Click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next go to account, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that add the account again and then check if the game is working or not. Next is to reinstall Halo Campaign Evolved game. For that press Xbox button controller, move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here select Halo Campaign Evolved game, press menu button and then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Halo Campaign Evolved official website and download the game. After that launch it and check. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about their. They'll better guide what to do, or else they'll try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.